Lesson 3. How to properly hook up a trailer. Now that we've determined our hitch components can tow our expected load, we're ready to hook up the trailer to the towing vehicle. First, make sure to choose a level surface where you will hook up the trailer. If you will be backing up the tow vehicle to complete your hookup, ensure the trailer is immobilized. Never allow yourself to be distracted when hooking up the trailer to the towing vehicle. In other words, don't stop until the hookup process is complete. Trailers can have different couplers. This trailer has a latch-style coupler. Make sure the latch is in the up position. Lower the coupler onto the hitch ball. Close the latch, normally pivot it 90 degrees. Add a latch pin to prevent the latch from coming up. Let's be sure the trailer is securely on the ball. The trailer is attached properly. This trailer has a hand wheel coupler. Ensure the hand wheel is fully loosened or backed off. Lower the coupler onto the hitch ball. Ensure that the ball clamp is loose below the coupler and not caught by the hitch ball. Turn the hand wheel clockwise until the bolt is protruding above the hand wheel and that the hand wheel is tight. Let's be sure the trailer is securely on the ball. The trailer is attached properly. Drop and tow coupler. Ensure the release lever is down. Lower the coupler onto the hitch ball. The coupler automatically latches onto the hitch ball. Make sure the release lever is in the fully down position. Be sure you understand how the parts connect and function. If you have questions, refer to the instructions provided with your trailer. If you require further assistance, get advice from someone who is familiar with how the system operates, or contact the trailer manufacturer. Once the hitch ball and coupler are properly connected, attach the safety chains or safety cables to the tow vehicle. Crisscross the chains beneath the coupler. Then, either clip the hooks onto the hitch attachment points, or route the chains through the holes on the hitch. Last, adjust the chains so there is adequate slack for turning without having the chains drag on the ground, and then secure the chain hooks. First, crisscross the cables beneath the coupler. Then clip the hooks onto the hitch attachment points or vehicle structure. Unlike chains, cables only attach directly to the hitch or vehicle and do not attach back onto themselves. Now that we have the safety chains connected, let's talk about trailer lights. All trailers must be equipped with working lights to operate on roadways. You will need to connect a wiring harness from the trailer to the tow vehicle to operate the lights on the trailer. The type of connection may vary depending on your tow vehicle and trailer. Some vehicles may even require a separate adapter. Consult your tow vehicle and trailer owner's manuals, or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent to determine the type of connection you may need. Once you have the right connector or adapter, connect the wiring harness from the trailer to the tow vehicle. Now let's check that all the lights work. Running lights, brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal. Okay, we are ready to go. Before driving and at each fuel stop, walk around the tow vehicle trailer combination, stopping to check hitch and coupler tightness, safety chain attachments, lights and tires. While driving, if you suspect any issues, stop at a safe place completely off the highway or road away from traffic to identify and correct the issue.